Well, today I'm going to show you how to replace this is a BMW X5. This is the lift gate. So normally this is the right side, and then right here this is the left side. So first thing first, before you begin the process, make sure there's something to support here, so that in case this thing comes out, because this is the one responsible for lifting up the gate, this back doesn't fall down. So first things first, you have to when you're prying out, you have to pry this. Then next we have to pry that right there, and then once that is done, we remove this right here, and then right here we remove this to the side, and then lastly we take this this is Phillips. These two Phillips, one is on one side and then another is on this other side, and then we take out this plastic thing out of the way. Then once that is done, I'm going to show you guys how to get out this right here, this thing right here. It comes back all the way here, and I'm going to show you how to disconnect it. It's just really pretty simple, and then how to get it out. Alright, let's begin the work. So the tools you're going to need is this is a flat Phillips, and then just a regular Phillips. So I'm just using a gun right here. It's going to make my work easier. Also sometimes instead of the flat Phillips, you can use a plastic as a prier. It's really helpful. It doesn't mess up your paint. So you just come right here, and then you pry like that. Pry it from right there. You proceed all the way. So you make sure all these clips just come right like that. So we have enough space right here. So what's remaining we have to do on the other side too. So we have to come this side. Once we have enough space like here, so this has to come away from there. You can pull right down there, and then the last part, I have to take out these two Phillips on this side. Alright, so here we go. So you just pry like that. So when this thing comes like that, you can just disconnect right from here. You don't really need to remove everything. So what we are going to work with, guys, is right here. So the stuff you're going to take it out is this right here. So this is the stuff we're going to take it out. So you're going to just disconnect from here, this right here. And once this comes out, we disconnect. So once this comes out of the way, so you can take this out, and then you can just remove this like this from right here, and then we're going to pull this thing all the way back. It's just going to go through there, and then it's going to come out from right here. It's going to come out right from right here. All right. So once this comes like this, so you wrap them with the duct tape the connectors. So once you do that, guys, you just pull it back from here. So you just take this thing out of the way, and then you just pull it back right like that. You pull it all the way, and then this thing is going to kind of almost lock here. And then you just pull it gently, and then this thing comes out like this. So guys, this is the easiest way to get it out. If you don't do this, this thing will get stuck in between here. So it's really important that you use something like a tape, and then you just put around it, and then this thing will come without a problem. So once that comes out of the way, we just get this guy out. Alright, so what you do, guys, you just pry this thing like this. Just take it away like that, out of the way. When it does that, and then you can just, when it comes out like this, yeah, you don't let it go back. You just pull it out. And then you can just pry it out. So guys, this thing will come with a bit of pressure. So you just do like that. This thing should come out from there. Let me just get it out and show you guys how this thing is out. So this is how it comes out from here. So you did this on this side, and then you do the same on this side. You just take it out like this. Once out of the way, you just pry from right here. You pry like this. This should be able to come out. Let me just show you in a moment how you do it. All right. So guys, you just come like this. I just love normally just to use something like a pryer. Let's just pry from here. So be careful, guys. This thing normally sticks. It gets stuck really hard. And just like that, that thing comes out. So guys, eventually this is what's holding it back. So it holds from inside, just inside there. So what you need to do is just use maybe a flat Phillips, and then you just pull this back, and then this thing should be able to just come out from the hook right in there. So the same applies from this right here. You just need to just pull from behind like that, and then this thing just should be able to just pop out. Alright guys, once this thing comes out, it's time for you to replace it with another one. But make sure guys, don't cut this thing the way other people normally do it, because I see people online, what they do is they just cut the line, just cut it up. Just make sure you just use a black tape, just like this, and then you tie, because this bigger one is the one which normally gets stuck in there. So once you do that, this thing just comes out like this, and then you're good to go. Alright, to put this back, what you do is you look for just a hanger. It's an whole hanger, just like this. Is a cloth hanger, and then you look for just a regular duct tape. Is electric tape. Then what you do, you just take this hanger, you just remove it, just make it straight, and then you just connect it like right here. And then what you do next, you come over here, you just put it to go right here, you let it come through here, and then you let it come all the way up to right here, and then you pick it up. Let me show you how it's done. So once you straighten it up like this, you just take this, and then you just put them together, just like this, all the way to here. You just use the duct tape all the way. Alright, and just like that, this thing is fixed. So you can put back all the covers and your thing is fixed. I think you saw how the thing just comes through here. You just use something like a hanger or something, a strong thing like a plastic, we just can't come without a problem. Alright, I hope this video really helps you out. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.